Okay. In question number 14, Rumaisa, Riaz, Avani, and Aris. What is the valency of Aris? Turn on your camera. Okay. Abdul Jabbar, why are you late? Why are you late?
Yes.
Turn on your camera and tell me why are you late? In the
Sir,
last two
I'm
class, I am
paying the
noticing you that you have been late for 15 minutes, up to 10 to 15 minutes. Don't you know the value of 10 to 15 minutes?
sir. Sir, I
What,
went for
sir?
prayer.
Don't you know the value of 10 to 15 minutes?
Sir, I went for prayer.
Okay. So, everybody, turn on your camera. Okay, look at this. Avni, I'm able to see you like this. Your full face should be visible to me, okay? Like this. And keep your hands visible to me, okay? So, here's the question. What is the formula for ammonium ammonium sulfate? Formula for ammonium sulfate. Yes. Abdul Jabbar, what is the formula for ammonium sulfate? Your mic is muted, Maisa.
Yes, sir.
If you want to say something.
No, sir, you asked Abdul Jabbar.
Okay, Abdul Jabbar, what is the formula for ammonium sulfate?
Sir, I have to write it down, sir.
Hmm? Speak a little bit louder.
Sir, I have to write it down too.
So you can write it. Okay, tell me the formula of ammonium.
If, I don't remember.
You don't know? Okay. Here is Abdul Jabbar. Yes, Rumaisa, what is the formula for ammonium chloride?
Sir,
Ammonium chloride.
ammonium is NH4 and chloride is Cl. Ammonium's valency is uh, 1,
Ammonium chloride.
1 and chloride valency is
What's the valency of chloride ion?
mm,
Don't know. Okay. Okay, Aris, what's the valency of hydroxide ion?
Two.
Valency of hydroxide ion. Okay. Avni, what is the valency of hydroxide ion?
What did you say?
What is the valency of hydroxide ion?
Hydroxide ion. Um, uh, H2O2.
Okay. Yes, Riaz. What is the valency of hydroxide ion? OH minus is hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ions. Okay. So OH minus is hydroxide ion and its valency is -1. Okay. Tell me, yes, Riaz, tell me, what does law of constant proportion states? What does law of constant proportion states? Law of constant proportion state. What does law of constant proportion states? Okay, Aris, what does law of constant proportion states? Law of constant proportion.
It states that um, the elements are present in definite proportion.
Yes. Yes, Avni, what does law of constant proportion states?
Sir, it states that in a chemical element, the elements are in definite uh, proportions by mass. Should
No.
I repeat?
Yeah, but it is incorrect.
So, law of constant proportion, right?
Yeah.
In the chemical element, the proportions are defined by mass.
No, not proper. Giving you half marks for this one. Yes, Raisa, what's your answer? Law of constant proportion.
Sir, in a chemical substance, the elements are present in definite proportion by mass.
In a chemical substance,
The elements are present in definite proportions by mass.
yeah, elements. Yeah, you can say that. You can say that elements are chemically combined in a fixed ratio or definite ratio by mass. So yes, in an element, not in a substance or in a compound. Okay, or use proper word compound. In a compounds, elements are chemically combined in a fixed ratio by mass. Okay,
So, sir, it will be in a chemical substance.
no, the most proper word is that you have to use in a chemical compound, because chemical substance can be uh anything. It can be oxygens also. Okay, so done this one. Next, this one is pardon. Okay, next, Abdul Jabbar. What is uh, what is the drawback of Dalton atomic theory? Unmute yourself first. What is the drawback of Dalton atomic theory? Aris, keep your hand like this. Aris, keep your hand like this on your cheeks, like this. Okay. Hey, Avni, keep your hand like this. Okay. Now tell me, Aris, what is Abdul Jabbar? Don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, Aris, what are the drawbacks of Dalton dynamic theory?
Sir, and the first drawback is that it states that the atoms are indivisible particles, but the discovery of electrons, protons, and neutrons, and, mm, neutrons. First drawback. Second drawback,
What was the second drawback? Yes, Ramayasa. What was the second drawback of Dalton dynamic theory?
Mm,
Second drawback of Dalton dynamic theory. Okay. Yes, Avni, what was the second drawback of Dalton dynamic theory?
Sir, I don't remember.
You don't remember. Yes, Abdul Jabbar. Second drawback of Dalton dynamic theory. You don't. I ask you the question, na? Same question. Yeah. Riaz, what is the drawback of Dalton dynamic theory? No. Dalton dynamic theory drawbacks you don't know. How many times I need to tell you? He said that atoms of same elements have same mass and same chemical property. The same chemical property is same is right, but he said that atoms of same element will have same mass. You see that carbon 6, carbon 14. We have two types of atoms of carbon 12 and carbon 14. They are same elements, but different masses are there. We have argon. Sorry, we have hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. One with mass 1, one with mass 2, one with mass 3. So we have three types of isotopes of hydrogen. And moreover, he said that atoms of different element will have different mass. But he's incorrect. The different element can have same masses. Like carbon, argon, and calcium has 40-40 mass. But they can have different element can have same masses. Okay. Yes, next. Abdul Jabbar, tell me that which postulate of Dalton dynamic theories supports the law of conservation of mass?
Sir, atoms can neither be destroyed nor created.
During a during a
Chemical, listen, chemical reaction.
if you are not writing chemical reactions during a chemical reaction, so your statement is incorrect. Because in nuclear reaction, atoms can be destroyed. Yes, Avni, tell me that which postulate of Dalton dynamic theory supports the law of definite proportion?
Definite proportion.
Yes.
Uh, in a chemi- in a chemical no.
Yes.
Uh, no. In a chemical reaction, there can be different types of masses with different proportions.
Incorrect. Yes, Urias. Which postulate of Dalton dynamic theory supports the law of conservation of mass? Yes, is there a parents is available here at your home?
Yes,
Yes, they are available.
yes.
So I will at the end of the class, I will talk to your parents. Okay. So inform them that they will should be available. So at the end of 9:30, according to 10:30, according to the Indian timing, after half an hour, I'm going to call your parents. Okay, talk to your parents. So inform them. Okay, next is yes. Next Avni has done. Riyaz has given the incorrect answers. Okay, Abdul Jabbar.
Sir,
Okay, you have given the correct answer for this one. So which
Sir,
postulate of yes, you Aris, tell me that which postulate of Dalton atomic theory supports the law of definite proportion?
Law of definite proportion.
Yeah, don't know. Going to talk to Ari's parents also. Okay. Next is yes, you Avni. Tell me that
huh?
uh
Sir, you already asked me.
yeah, I'm going to
Yeah.
ask you now.
Oh, okay.
I I have asked you now,
Yeah, you have asked me.
and you have given the incorrect answer. Yes,
Huh.
Rumaisa is remaining. Rumaisa is remaining. So yes, Rumaisa, which postulate of Dalton atomic theory supports the law of conservation of law of definite proportion?
So atoms of different elements have different masses.
Atoms of different element have different masses. This postulate supports the law of definite proportion.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, I said that law of constant proportion, that law, right? If I don't write chemical reaction, the marks will get deducted, right?
Yeah.
How
If you don't
much?
write in a chemical, half of the marks will be deducted. So that's why I have given you the half marks for that question. So here is Rumaisa. You don't know even this one. So which postulate of Dalton-Wade theory support the law of conservation? Sorry, law of definite proportion that atoms in a chemical compounds are arranged in a fixed ratio by mass or in a small whole number. So this is the Dalton-Wade theory. This is the postulate of Dalton-Wade theory that supports law of definite proportion. Okay, and we have written this one in your copy too. Next, yes, Abdul Jabbar. Here's the question. Define one atomic mass unit.
sir, one atomic mass unit is exactly 1/12 of a carbon 12.
Okay, and what is its value?
Sir, 1 by like value.
What is its value in grams? Okay, Aris. Aris, what is Riaz? Riaz need to tell me. Define one atomic mass unit, Riaz. One atomic mass unit.
Sir, 1 by 12th of the carbon 12 isotope.
Carbon 12. Yes, you Riaz. What's the answer? Define one atomic mass unit.
Carbon
Okay.
14.
Okay. Tell me what is the mass of nitrogen atoms? Riaz, what is the mass of nitrogen atoms? Yes, you Amni. What is the mass of magnesium atom?
Sir, magnesium, right?
Yes.
Uh, Magnesium 18.
Yes, Aris. What is the mass of sulfur atom?
Sir, sulfur.
Yes.
Um, Sir, can I say later?
No, you need to tell me now. Ramaisa, what is the mass of phosphorus atom?
31.
Yes, 31. Okay, what is one atomic mass unit? What is
So
one atomic
1/12 of the
1/12 of the mass
compound.
of carbon 12 atom?
Yes, carbon.
Of carbon 12 atom. Okay. Yes, you, Avni.
Sir,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the mass of
you already asked me.
yeah, I have already asked you and you have given the incorrect answer, no?
Confused.
Aris also have not given the answer. Okay, yes. Abdul Jabbar, what is the mass of carbon dioxide?
Sir, no, sir. Don't know.
What is the mass of oxygen atom?
Sir, 8.
8. It is 16. Okay, next question. What is the formula for magnesium chloride? Riaz, what is the formula for magnesium chloride? What is the valency of magnesium, Riaz? Tell me, Riaz. Unmute your mic. What is the valency of magnesium?
CA,
Ca.
uh, no,
Okay. So we have taken the
11.
half of the results, half of this one. So yes, I think you have not prepared and I'm not willing to teach you further. So I'm just going to talk to talk to your parents, everybody, everyone's okay. So your parents are in focus mode, okay, and yes, Riaz and RS. Okay, let's take 15 more minutes. Okay, let's take 15 more minutes. Just going to ask you the easiest possible questions. What is the mass of oxygen atom? Even you don't know the mass of oxygen atom, so then what have you studied? Daily we are just teaching you each and everything.
Sir, 16.
No, I have taught you 16. I have told it's 16. Tell me the mass of sodium.
Sir, 11.
23. It is
Sir,
its atomic
oxygen
number.
is 15, right?
16.
16?
Okay. Calculate the molecular mass of. Okay, write the formula of aluminium phosphate.
Aluminium phosphate.
Phosphate. Note it with by using your hands. One hand you can use, and one hand should be available here. Okay, write it. Aluminium phosphate. First, tell me, Riaz, that what is aluminium? What's the valency of aluminium? Only then you will be able to write now if you know the valency of aluminium. Riyaz, what is the valency of aluminium?
Three.
And what is the formula for phosphate?
Uh,
CO4 3 minus.
Okay, so what's the formula of Abdul Jabbar? What is the formula for ammonium ion?
जी
Ammonium ion. Formula for ammonium ion.
सर अमोनियम
What is the formula for nitrate?
सर N minus.
That is nitride. Nitrate. I'm asking nitrate. Rumaisa, what is the formula for nitrate?
NO NO3 2 minus.
Rumaisa, what is the formula for nitrate? Yes, Avni, what's the formula for nitrate?
NO3.
Valency
3, right?
-1. NO3 -1. And Abdul Jabbar, you were saying NO3 -2. If you don't know the molecular masses, you will not be able to. Means, yes, Rumaisa, what's the formula for nitrate ion?
Sir, NO3. I was saying
Val-
it, but my net got disconnected.
And what's the valency?
Balance is 1.
Valency is 1. Yes, it is correct. Valency is 1. Okay. So you don't know properly the law of definite proportion. You don't know the Dalton-Lemay theory postulate. You don't know that which postulate of Dalton-Lemay theory supports the law of design. You properly don't know that which element is going to have what valencies. Okay. You properly don't know the molecular masses. Okay. So you are going to score 10 to 20% in this chapter. Avni, why have you not prepared?
I was having my class test also. Yesterday it was French, so I have to
Only
prepare.
yesterday, na? I have taught you this one. Just this is the 1 week before that I was just need to take your test.
I was in there
Yes.
half of the classes also in between. I was very sick, that's why. In
And you
between
are
the
is
so the last classes I'm
why have you not prepared?
I studied, but
Only yesterday you need to prepare.
sir, I studied this, but
You studied, okay. Then tell me the formula of sulfate ion. This is very popular formula. Don't look your eyes down, okay?
sir, formula of what?
Sulfite.
Sulfite.
And that of sulfate. Yes, you Abdul Jabbar.
I think uh,
Let it be, Arif, let it be. If it is remember, you need to answer it quickly, okay? So yes, you Riyaz, yes, you Rumaisa. Tell me that
Um,
tell me that if we have the you need to answer if the ratio of H2 to O2 to form water is 1:8. if we have this 1.6 gram, then how much grams of this will be required? Hydrogen gas. Tell me, Ramasa. You can solve it. If you wish, you can solve it in the copy. Everybody solve this question. Are you able to solve, Ramasa?
Um,
Yes, you, Abdul Jabbar. Are you able to solve?
Sir, we are not able to form it. We need 8.
Yes, you, Abni.
Sir, I can't solve.
This is very simple. You can write this upon this is equals to this upon this. You reciprocal this one, you will get x upon 1 is equals to 1.6 by 8. You remove this decimal. 8 ones are 8 twos are. X is equals to 2 by 10, 1 by 5 grams or 0.2 grams. Okay. So Abdul Jabbar, Riaz, Aris, Rumaisa, everyone, please call your parents. I need to talk to them.
Sir, mine
Call your
went.
where you went
They went
is not
hospital.
possible. No,
Yeah.
not possible. It is not possible that the parents are going to leave you at home.
Sir, they leave me at home.
No,
They leave
talk to
me, my
them.
sister.
even mine,
There's
they have them to pick up my
a
brother from Madrasa.
background noise. Is coming to me. There is someone. Call that
Sir, that's
call
my
that
sister.
call that person who is in the background only.
My sister.
Ah, yeah. Yes, Rumaisa. Call anyone who is in the background.
So they have all left to pick up my brother from Madrasa.
He's in your okay. Yes, you are. And Rayaz, call your parents. And you, Abdul Jabbar, you too. Call your parents.
Can you give retest in next
No, no,
class?
no, no. This is the second time so I'm going to take the test. Call your parents fast.
The
You don't
last
have
one?
all. No, no, no. Call your parents. Go. Call them.
She's in the washroom. She'll come in 5 minutes.
Okay. Ares, are you getting your parents? Or not? Riaz, call your parents. Maisa, you were preparing good, but this time you disappoint me.
Sir, I was not able to prepare properly because my chachu had came from India, so we were busy.
The test was given a little one week before now. Are you preparing for the biology test?
Yes, sir.
The cell chapter?
Yes,
Tomorrow we're going to have that test. Okay, you remember?
yes, sir. I remember. So tomorrow only the cell chapter, right?
Yeah. Riaz, are you there? Excuses for the test should not be given. At least you must prepare. Even if you have opened the book, if you have learned the basic things, just even you don't know the how to write the what are the drawbacks of dynamic theory, what is the correct definition for the law of definite proportions, law of conservation of mass. Even if you don't know the molecular masses, this is very basic things. The valencies chart. Then how will you able to score good marks in the final examination? We have taught you each and everything, but we cannot help you to learn each and everything. You need to sit and learn each and everything properly. Abdul Jabbar, RS, Rumaisa, sorry, Avani, turn on your camera. They all have muted. Oral tests help us to know whether the students are going to scoring, because if we are not taking the oral test, it means that you may cheat some from somewhere on internet. This is not good. Mm. Where they have gone. Reminder, you can leave. I need to talk to the parents. I'm just leaving you for the giving you the first warning because you have prepared well in the previous test. But in the next, if you have not prepared well, then I will going to call your parents too. Okay. So
No,
remember,
sir.
you need to
Preparing so.
prepare well for cell chapter. Okay, and this chapter also for the retest.
Okay.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Jabbar, RS, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So where are your parents? I need to talk to them, na? Call your parents. Yes, you, Riaz. Riaz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera first. Everybody turn on your camera. Riaz, turn on your camera. Aris, Abdul Jabbar, Avni. Are you not listening to me? Riaz. Okay, let me call your parents so that they will. सर मुझे सभी के बच्चों के सभी के पेरेंट्स से बात करनी है. हीरो है तो मुझे आ, मतलब बात करनी है इनके पेरेंट्स से. मुझे मिलना है मतलब चाहे कैसे परफॉर्म करें मुझे इनके पेरेंट्स से जरूर मिलना है. ठीक है, तो एक पीटीएम रखवाइए आप, जरूरी है, इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है, क्योंकि इस तरह से अगर इनकी परफॉर्मेंस रही तो ये फिर कल को मुझे बोलेंगे कि मतलब, तो दैट्स नॉट फाइन. ओके. ओके, दैट इज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग, लेट इट बी. So I will teach you unless and until your parents is going to meet me in the next class. Okay. I will not start the class unless and until your parents is going to talk to us. This is very important. Otherwise, and tomorrow, tomorrow is the cell chapter test, oral test of cell chapter. So prepare it well.